Welcome to Long D Drive Arrive, your go-to channel for all things automotive, road trips, and the latest car updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tesla Model Y, a vehicle that continues to push the boundaries of electric mobility. The 2025 Tesla Model Y brings some exciting updates, refining what has already been one of the most popular EVs on the market. Tesla has taken a step further in enhancing range, performance, and technology, making this SUV more appealing than ever. The exterior design remains sleek and modern, but subtle refinements improve aerodynamics and efficiency. The new headlights and taillight designs give the car a fresh look while maintaining Tesla's signature aesthetic. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the battery technology has seen improvements. Tesla's latest advancements in battery chemistry extend the range beyond previous models, offering even more miles per charge. The long-range variant now pushes past the previous limits, ensuring fewer stops on long journeys. Charging is also faster, thanks to an upgraded supercharger network, reducing downtime during road trips. Performance enthusiasts will be pleased with the latest Model Y. Acceleration remains quick, with the dual-motor and performance versions delivering instant torque. The refined suspension system enhances handling, making the ride smoother while maintaining the responsiveness Tesla is known for. Whether driving in the city or on open highways, the 2025 Model Y ensures a dynamic driving experience. Inside, the cabin has received a few notable upgrades. The minimalist interior remains, but materials and finishes have been improved for a more premium feel. Tesla has also introduced new software updates that enhance the user experience. The infotainment system is more responsive, offering better connectivity and entertainment options. The latest version of Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features continue to evolve, bringing even more advanced driver assist capabilities. One of the standout features of the 2025 Model Y is its efficiency. Tesla's continuous improvements in energy management allow this SUV to achieve impressive mileage without compromising on performance. The heat pump system, first introduced in earlier models, has been further optimized, ensuring better efficiency in various weather conditions. Safety remains a top priority for Tesla, and the latest Model Y is no exception. With improved sensors and AI-driven safety features, the car offers even better collision avoidance and emergency response capabilities. Tesla's over-the-air updates also mean that the car continues to improve even after purchase. For families and road trip lovers, the spacious interior and cargo space make the Model Y a practical choice. The panoramic glass roof adds to the sense of openness, while the flat folding rear seats provide ample storage for long journeys. With all these improvements, the 2025 Tesla Model Y remains a strong contender in the electric SUV market. Whether you're considering an upgrade or stepping into the world of EVs for the first time, this model offers a balance of range, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching Long D Drive Arrive. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest cars, road trips, and in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.